Hello, I saw your question here on 7.3. Looks like you've correctly calculated the test statistic as negative 1.52, but perhaps you're wondering about the p-value, and maybe down here, since you can see up here that the claim that it's a two-tailed test, and so we'll be looking at these areas. To find the p-value, you go to stat calculators, to t calculator. I have in standard mode. The degrees of freedom is 10. N is 11. Degrees of freedom is 1 less than the number in sample, so that's 10. You've already have this part here, negative 1.52, and I did left stand, and it gives you this area here. Well, since it's a two-tailed test, you got to get the symmetric area over here. So you got to double this number here, and so you take 2 times it, and you get 0.159. If you round 3 places. Then for this part, determine where the rejector failed to reject the null hypothesis. Well, the p-value you compare it to alpha. In this case, the p-value is greater than alpha, so we're not we're going to fail to reject the null hypothesis because there's not enough evidence to support the claim, since p-value is greater than alpha. If p-value was less than alpha, then we would reject it. But in this case, that's not the case, what we have. Hope this helps.